Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G with a broken display. The back cover is in a good shape, but David is gonna do the fix for us. Let's go. First off, we're going to remove the back cover for this device. This back cover is not made up of glass, so it's easier for us to remove, can bend without breaking. The adhesives are not that strong too, so it adds to the ease of access in terms of disassembling the device. Just like that, back cover is off. Let me show you the replacement display. It's got a lot of writings on it. We're gonna unscrew the shroud that covers the daughter board. You can actually see that on the bottom of the device. It's mostly for charging and headphone jack if your smartphone has that one. Also gonna unscrew the shroud so that we can remove it over the main board. So usually Samsung has this formation. You have the main board at top, then the middle is the battery, pretty large battery on this one, and then below the battery is the daughter board. This is a pretty wide and hefty flex cable that attaches the daughter board to the main board. Remove the SIM card tray, remove the antenna cables. Now we can extract the main board and put it on the side. We're going to remove this speaker. Put it there. Put it directly to the replacement display. And now we're going to remove the daughter board. We're going to disconnect all the connectors that are attached to it and yank it through this flex cable. Put it on the side, then lift it up, and daughter board is now off. We're gonna get the fingerprint scanner. It is positioned underneath the display, pretty nice. We're gonna transplant the main board and the SIM card tray. It's now safe to do that. Daughter board next. So far, no major problems. Very straightforward, especially David is making it look easy every step of the way. Guess no wonder David is a Samsung expert. He's been fixing Samsungs when he first started fixing smartphones in general. So he's branched out to other brands and models since then. Attaching the flex cable for the daughter board, putting the shroud over the daughter board, and then securing it with the screws. Next off, we're going to remove the battery from the old display and transplant it to the new one. We're still going to reuse the adhesives for the battery. It's still good. And of course, a lot of screws were attached. We're attracted to the speaker on the mainboard shroud. And now we're almost done. We have attached the shroud over the mainboard. All the screws are now tightened up and reinstalled. Feeling the battery, there's overheating. It's an old technique. Peel off. And look at that. It looks brand new again. And it's booting up nicely. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G that you want to revive or you want to repair, you can do it yourself. But if you don't want the hassle of buying the replacement part, not getting ripped off by some eBay sellers or Amazon sellers, just that on Sydney CBD Repair Center will do everything. We'll diagnose the problem, we'll seek the parts for you, and then perform the repairs. We're going to reuse the back cover, and then we're done. So if you have any questions, if you have the same problem, or if you have the same problem on a different device, you can message us or leave a comment on this video. We'll sure to reply to you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time?